you feel online teaching is not paying off for your efforts, time, and investment? Meet Tutor Plus, a device solely designed for teachers. Place it on any of your large-screen TV display and use it like an interactive whiteboard with an array of digital teaching tools. Along with a visual enhancement camera and noise-canceling mics, you can conduct, record, and live stream classes in UHD quality. End your struggles and become successful by reaching out to more students on digital platform. Embark on the journey of Smart Tutor with Tutor Plus.
And also filed upload option and many more, with which you can make your classes more interactive and engaging. Not only this, Tutor Plus also ends your struggle of conducting an online class via a small screen sized laptop, because you can share this digital whiteboard via any of the video conferencing software that you're using right now and conduct your online classes more interactively. You must have seen how simple, easy and effective it was to use Tutor Plus for your online classes.